Dayan or Faye?
JC.
Ako, I have to go with Dayan.
Okay.
Why? Ang sweet ng ano niya, ang ganda ng presence, sweet, napaka-sincere ng mga sinasabi.
And adventurous.
And sporty.
That's important. But I have to vouch for letter B din kasi meron siyang talent sa pagluluto.
Ang ganda.
You're not just being fair.
I'm not being fair. Magaling yun may liga ko sa anime at medyo practice din yan.
Alright, Thomas, ito kasi nagustuhan namin tatlo si Dayan. Pero why am I not surprised na nag-vouch ka din sa isa?
Bakit?
Antagonist ka bigla.
Ganun talaga.
Well, anyway, hindi yung mga boys yung boboto. You guys have the chance to actually vote for our crush ng tambayan. All you have to do is text, of course. Text B Fast Face Paul. Your choice is it A or B. And ipadala nyo lang yan sa 2366.
Yan, si Dayan Carrer at si Faye Del Rosario. Actually, pwede na naman tayo mag-text dyan.
Gagamitin natin yung telepono ni Christian.
Kasi yung live sa ating tatlo. Alright guys, stay with us. More breakfast in return. In the meantime, here's 6 Cycle Minds.
Yeah! Na-enjoy nyo naman yung patience shot. At least na mukha nyo na talaga si Ate.
Nagulat ako din, Brad, sa yung simula pa lang,
Magaling. Of course, maraming salamat kay Angel. Siya yung ating second producer.
Of course, I love you, Angel. Alright.
And of course, tomorrow we'll see the start of my fencing mishap.
We're very excited. Okay, ngayon naman sa mga job hunters, lakbayin na ang kamay nilaan para maghanap ng trabaho. Alright? So may job opening kaming ibibigay sa inyo dito sa bagong segment ng Breakfast, ang On the Job.
On the Job, it is. Actually, this is where we really give you guys the opportunity. Kumbaga, we bring the jobs to you, mga kabarkada.
Give you the information.
Siyempre, marami mga fresh grads or even hindi mga fresh grads. Those people na medyo nahihirapan sa current jobs nila and would like something new.
Before we give our kabarkadas yung ating information of the day when it comes to on the job hunting. Christian, before you ventured into show business, sobrang ikli lang. Ano yung ginusto mong trabaho dati?
I want to be a landscape architect.
Wow.
Landscape architect.
Kasi that was my course in UP.
Alright!
Well, anyway, ito ang ating on the job and sa on the job natin ngayon, telemarketing.
Telemarketing. Now, mga kabarkada, gusto nyo bang maging telemarketer? Well, Christian, diba? You have the information over there.
That's right. Okay, My Call Depot, it's not mine. My Call Depot Incorporated is currently looking for telemarketers. They are now hiring for their new Sukat Parañaque call center site. Kaching! Mga taga Parañaque, Las Piñas, Pasay, and Cavite like me. Para sa inyo to, 6 months in telemarketing industry is preferred. Okay, so the contact details are on your TV screens. They're right there.
Yeah.
For more info on the job, log on to jobstreet.com.
Okay. Sige, ito. Siguro para sa mga mag-apply ng trabaho, ako hindi naman ako masyadong, I wouldn't say I'm a expert at this, pero ang isang narinig ko sa mga friends ko, kailangan talaga mag-research ka na mabuti dun sa papasukan mo because kapag nandun ka na, kailangan hindi mo na iniisip yun ka, parang focus ka na 100% on your job.
And sa akin, another helpful tip pag nag-i-interview, don't give too much information. Kapag ikikwento mo na yung lola mo, yung kapitbahay ng office mate ng ganun-ganun.
Ito yun, hindi pa napapakit ka na dun sa...
Huwag ka magpakit, just go straight to the point because syempre yung mga nag-i-interview, konti lang yung time nila and they just want to, extract the best from you.
At isa pang tanong dyan, how much humor should you inject in your interview? Actually, ang sabi ng ilang mga experts, or at least yung mga talagang magaling sa mga job interviews, maganda na merong konting wit yung mga sagot mo. Pero huwag naman yung mga mahabang, meron akong joke sa'yo.
Huwag ka lang mag-knock-knock.
Guys, pero huwag natin kalimutan, bago kasi tayo pumunta dun sa interview, kumbaga nasa secondary phase, magsimula tayo sa resume. Polish dapat ang ating resume once you are applying for the job.
Yeah, I think there are books, di ba, on writing.
Exactly. Books that you can read. Tama yan. So guys, mga kabarkada, huwag kayong mag-aalala sa job hunting. Si Christian po for the whole week ang bahala sa inyo dyan.
Okay, so job hunters, take note of that, ha? Kailangan yan, lalo na sa mga baguhan pa lang sa pagtatrabaho, okay?
Okay.
So anyway, we're just halfway through the show at pagbalik namin, bibisita tayo sa isang university sa Gimme Campus at pangalawang bagsak naman ng news and traffic.
Alright. Mga kabarkada, huwag kayong maaalis. We will be right back. Huwag na huwag kayong babangon dahil ito ang 6 Cycle Mind.
Go to Gigabyte!
We have more news for you ngayon naman mula sa Philippine Star. Okay, let's start out with this. Yung sa mahalaga para sa mga whistleblowers. Ano ba yung mga whistleblowers, JC? Then, viewers, as you know it, of course, yung mga nasa mga offices, lalo na sa mga public offices na gusto mag-expose sa mga certain crimes or mga corruption cases sa kanilang opisina, gumawa ng study, yung
Yung mali, kahit alam nilang mali, they can turn or not be
Yeah,
But,
kasi minsan ayaw nila magpa-affect rin eh. Kasi whatever will happen to that person.
Takot, parang job security nila, di ba? Pero ang maganda naman dito, gumawa sila ng isang report, a 70-page guide named Citizens Primer on Whistleblowing, and they hope na through this study, medyo mas magkaroon ng concrete steps para ma-encourage yung mga would rather be silent or yung mga medyo apathetic to yung mga problems of office at maging mas mahusay na mga whistleblowers.
Paring Thomas, just to add, no, ito isa rin ito sa mga isang bag, ito yung mga problema nating mga Pilipino. Kumbaga, ang rami nating talents, ang rami nating...
Okay, sige, next issue natin or next news article also from the Philippine Star. Ito naman, kung kayo ay
Sana yung EDSA maayos na forever. Balikan na natin si Shirley. Shirley, for the second round of traffic news.
Go ahead, Shirley.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Now here's another check on the road.
School niyo ba dati?
UNP ako. UP, of course.
UP yung
Ateneo.
Ateneo.
Okay,
At least Katipunan. Ano ba yung mga ginagawa mo nung gumigimik ka pa sa campus?
Sa campus, well, when I was in UP.
Oh yeah, Roy.
I just really studied hard.
taga-UP.
Saka tumatambay sa
Kasi ganito lang. Kasi dati talaga nag-aaral kami.
Ganun ba? Ganun.
Tapos balance.
Pagtulungan nyo na.
Balance yan. Sports, lahat.
Sorry, dalawa kami dito eh.
Okay, meron tayong dalawang taga-UP, may taga-Ateneo. Ngayon po, pupunta tayo sa UST. Check this out.
Check it out.
People of the universe, dito kayo ang bida dahil we are giving you 30 seconds to do what you want on our news.
Dito sa ating studio at meron kayong pagkakataon to have 30 seconds all to yourself. So today, I see, of course, si Sally.
I just want to greet you guys kasi we're having breakfast. So, yeah, tapos I turn on the TV kasi my kids are here. Yeah, my kids were here nung nanonood kami. And then, yun nga, they left.
For school.
Kumatok na sila, yeah.
Ano ba ulam ninyo dyan? Yung breakfast. Naroon kami dito.
It's only.
Ma'am Sally, how do you like our fourth host right here, Mr.
Yeah,
Christian Bautista?
You guys, you look so good.
Wow!
Yeah, hello,
Pretty boy.
I want to meet you guys.
All right, Miss Sally, we're gonna give you 30 minutes to, 30 seconds. Matapos na
Yeah, lots of airtime.
30 seconds.
Okay. Yeah, right?
Start now.
Okay, I just want to greet Marcel Flores. He celebrated his birthday yesterday. And I would also like to greet my office mates at GSIS. Hi, guys. And also the teachers of my daughter. Holy Spirit School, and also my son, Lourdes School. That's all, guys.
Wow!
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. You have a pleasant morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bye.
Great, you can say anything you want on TV.
Except some explicit stuff.
Yes.
Tayo yung
Galing,
30 seconds. Sorry, direct.
Okay, sige guys, just if you want a chance to be on the air, you can just
Put some finishing touches sa kanyang niluto. Let's try it out. At ipapakita ni Patty ang hottest items pagdating sa vintage fashion. So, walang kikibo. We will be right back.
6 seconds.
because it is made from the heart.